He's a duck.
Fucking platypus.
He's a duck.
Oh my god! Holy shit!
Whoa, that looks bad.
Holy shit, dude!
Did it crash?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you not see that?
Sorry,
Oh,
this is now a
amazing.
fucking painting stream.
Welcome to the
Welcome to
Vincent
the
Van
fucking-
Gogh graphical setting.
Impressionism with Rune.
That's like a Matisse right there.
Holy shit! It literally looks like fucking oil colors or something.
It does. Cool. Alright, that's one.
That is one in the books.
Almost
I
every
just want to know
argument.
what you think I want.
Can you say it?
Fine. You want me to admit that I was wrong?
Oh, someone clip that?
No.
So this is currently my
See.
permitted phrase and our terms and phrase list. Hope you guys are happy.
Huh.
Apparently these only allow for an hour, so in an hour, if you guys do it, we have to.
There's only gonna be, yeah, 2 to the 11th combinations.
Yeah, boy.
Let me quickly go program a chatbot.
Okay, well,
You know what? I'm happy that I.
who else is in here? There, dude. Come out of the closet. Get your hands up. I'll only kill you.
This is where we got like absolutely butt fucked. So maybe we can just shoot this guy.
Do you want to bend over? Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
At least take me out to dinner first.
At least slap my ass first before you do that.
I was watching someone play a pretty cool Metroidvania.
How is this related?
Hey, hear me out for a second. The sound effects in the game sounded like a good spanking.
Okay, okay. And you like a good spanking?
Yeah, dude. There's nothing.
Clip that. Hey, guys, clip that.
Dude, I'm willing to admit, like, if. Oh, fuck me!
I think we've declared that I'm not gonna fuck you.
Anyway, no, when I was coming. Oh my god, is there a fucking. Bird?
Bro, there's a bird too.
Oh my god.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Okay, I am waiting for you outside, so hurry the F up.
Alright. Still got a
I don't know why I just said F instead of fuck. You know, there was no reason.
Family friendly. At all, put a silencer on his gun?
Not a chance.
I'm not gonna do anything then.
No.
We gotta
Drop,
quit.
drop out, go put a silencer on it, and we'll invite you back. We have 4 minutes.
Okay. So,
Back
Can I
out.
do it?
Back. Click the
Back.
back button.
okay.
You can't
Go
do
to
it
your
where it says
loadout.
edit loadout for some reason. It doesn't let you do it in this menu.
Go to loadout.
Okay.
Go to
got it,
your
got it, got it.
pistol.
Extension.
Customize your pistol.
Guess what I'm having for dinner?
The souls of your defeated enemies.
I only heard one of those guesses, and it was close.
I don't know what Rune guessed.
I hope it's what I said. 'Cause dear God, if it's the other one.
Can we get the guesses one at a time, please?
Whose did you hear?
Who's the G?
Don't worry about it.
I believe I said beef. It's what's for dinner.
I said the souls of your enemies.
I definitely heard one of them.
They are very different. Please answer which one you heard.
Why? I don't think we need to know.
Which one are you having?
I'm having beef.
There you go.
Escape quickly.
Quickly. Don't
The
put
enemies are
pressure
after
on me
us.
like that. No. Oh, gold. Fine. I don't get distracted by shiny things. I don't know what you mean.
Don't die, don't die, don't die.
Oh my god. I actually cannot believe that. I am so sorry.
It's alright, I did the same exact thing, so it's not your fault.
No! We just finished the fucking mission, and then I just fucking. Oh god.
I deserve that. I deserve that.
Oh man. That is a moment worthy of fucking clip right there, actually. Oh my.
Oh, if he has a weak point, just hit it.
Hostiles guarding location nearby.
Got him.
The weak point is bullets.
I don't think that's it, but you know what? I can't disagree with you.
Oh, guys, I found 20 bucks.
Nice. A singular $20 bill.
More than I found.
Just, guys, I found $10 in nickels.
I found $763.22 in quarters.
22 cents in quarters?
Yes.
Looks like Whipsia has
One of the quarters is a little messed up.
I'm gonna follow up on this.
Wouldn't that make it rare?
I don't know. Maybe.
Hey, there's some money.
Yeah, so the ghost hasn't hunted because that exit's door still open. Which one of the ghosties doesn't do anything unless you disturb their resting place? Is that a spirit?
It's called an introvert. Need a medic bag.
I need a medic bag.
I'm out of ammo.
You're right. Don't say that. I have 4 rounds. Here, hold on.
Don't worry, I got this ladder taken care of.
All right. I got us a friend. Are you sawing people on the ladder? Is that your solution for keeping the ladder covered?
Yeah.
I like it.
Oh no, I'm down. I'm still doing it.
Oh my god.
We have one already.
Yeah, we got the sink one.
The sink stick.
The sink steak. We're expanding beyond
Man,
counter steak to sink steak.
Man, I love our restaurants. It's with extra soap sauce.
Mmm.
Hey, why does my steak taste very soapy? Is there a reason for that?
It's a new technique passed down by the generation.
It's our secret technique. This is the only restaurant you'll get it at.
This is how you know we're super hygienic.
We even clean our steaks.
I'm just saying we're gonna buy the
What's up, guys? My name's Glitched Rune. Welcome in. You could just call me Rune. Sorry, I was looking at my Steam. So today we're gonna continue on creating our Galactic trade game. I've codenamed it Celestial Exchange for now. But we're gonna try to do some dynamic pricing. So like each one will have its price different, and then like when we go to a different place every day, it'll update. So that's what I want to try to do today. I also want to try to show the target market. I don't know where. I think we got to make these smaller, rebalance kind of the screen a little bit. Let me turn my music. There we go. But yeah, today might be a little bit of a shorter stream today. I gotta wake up early tonight or tomorrow morning because I'm going out of town. So it might be a quick 2.5, 3 hour stream instead of my normal 4 hour stream. But we're gonna see how much we can get done with this game. As I said, we're gonna be trying to do dynamic pricing. And depending on if we have time, we might try to do fuel and food. And start working on some of the crew stuff I wanted to do. First thing first, I think I'm just going to throw the name of the space station under each, or planet. Because these are just locations, these dots here. And I'm going to actually scale this down a little bit, because these things are kind of big. So we're just going to kind of fix some of our UI a little bit. Obviously, this is not going to be our end UI. This was just to get the game going, and eventually it'll look completely different. But this is just prototyping at this point. So galactic items are each one of these. We'll make this, instead of 300 wide, we'll make these, let's see, 300 wide. That didn't update at all. What the hell? The hell am I looking at? I swear this is this. Oh, this would be up here. That would be this. Okay, we make these two 150. We make this thing 300. Yeah. Actually, I don't know why we're even worrying about that. We should just do this. Which these aren't updating. I see. Wait, why are they not updating? I'm confused. The weird thing is that, like, this should also be different, and it's not. So for some reason, it seems like these aren't actually prefabs. Hello? Weird. All right. So we're gonna make these shorter. We're gonna make the text smaller because you just don't want them to take up nearly as much space. So these are gonna be changed in transform. This is gonna be -30. This was -90. This is -180 or 150. Sorry. They're now shorter. We're gonna make the text. We want to make everything 300. Which I don't know why we need to change this width. We just need to make it stretched. We just need to make this stretched. And then that should be good. And then whatever we change this width to, yeah, there we go. Which is whatever the width is. I'm gonna make this -150. Actually, we're gonna pivot it 1 and have it at 0. There you go. And then we're also gonna pivot this at 0. And add 1. So now it's always in the corner. So 0, 0 is gonna be the corner up here. So if we ever change its width, it's also gonna just keep it in the corner. And then we're gonna make this text smaller. Galactic mark is fine. Oh, 30 is fine. I like 30 actually. Much smaller. Rawr. Welcome in, Snyder. How's it going? Ow. We are continuing our Galactic economy game. It's going. That's good. I kind of want to just stretch it completely, and then, yeah, top will be like 50, 60. 60, 75? Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm just getting a quick stream in because I'm leaving tomorrow morning, so this is gonna be a quicker stream. It won't be as long as it normally is. Maybe 2 to 3 hours instead of the typical 4. We're trying to get it this stream where, like, if you move a planet, all the prices will change. Where am I going? I'm going to a wedding, my cousin's wedding. A family event, a fun family event, you know? Totally fun. Yeah. The most fun. Okay, we're gonna pivot that to 1, we're gonna pivot that to 1, and we're gonna pivot that to 1. So 0, it'll be, we're actually gonna change the height of all these. Yeah. it'll be a lot of fun, especially in this political climate. Not really looking forward to it. $40? Did that change its height? It did not change its height. Why didn't that not change its height? About 45. 45 looks good. No overrides. One override. Yeah, I mean, hopefully it won't be too bad. It's definitely going to be a change of scenery this weekend, but I don't know. I wish I could hang out and do what I normally do during the weekend, which is either work on my house or, play games, watch videos, or get the editing done. But I can't really do the editing because I'm gonna be out of town. So I think the thing I'm gonna look at is Ace Sprite tutorials for making pixel art, which is pretty much all I could really do in an event like that. I should make it 50. There we go. And then I make this 100. There we go. It's a little less space takey upper, but still not insane. And I think we've cleaned up this entire thing a little bit. We can make this like 60. There you go. I like that. Okay, so what do you make these 25? These are 25 and this is 30. We gotta do the same thing for inventory, so I just was trying to keep it the same. Again, we don't need to, we shouldn't have to worry about this stuff. So this is gonna be bottom stretched across. I feel like we should change the height of this thing because that is insane. Zero, zero. Let's make these. These could be just stretched and then centered. And then both make these 25. You can make these much shorter, like 30. Which makes this height 60. And then what do we make this? 60? What do we make the top here? 60. And then let's go change these things. These are going to be, what are width? 0, 0. Position 0, 45. And then we made all of these 25. Cool. And then we're going to make this, I think we limited this down to 300. So we're going to make this 300. And then we're going to limit this to 0, 0, 0, 1. And then this is 0? But we set them all to 1. And this is going to be negative 50. And then this one's negative 100. Perfect. And then currency's all the way down there. But that's because we don't have a height. So if you make the height of this 300, 250, 240, 230. 230 is good. And we can make this like 200. Why'd that change? Oh. Whoops. 200. Perfect. All right, that doesn't take nearly as much space anymore. We can make this kind of smaller too. We definitely don't need these things to be as big as they are. I feel like this is something I always do in my games until I get into UI, which is like I make the UI like way too big. Let me space station information. We will make this. No, that's appropriate. Name is going to be just width. And it's going to be the entire thing. And then label is going to be top. It's at 1, 0. And then we're going to set this bottom stretched 0, 0. And then we're going to make these smaller. We're going to make these maybe 30. So that makes this should be like 35, and this should be 35. And then we should center them. And then at this point, it's up to us. So 300 maybe, and then they're both 35, so 70 high. So that didn't change these things, but so these are going to be 70 high, 300 wide. Current station is going to be 0, 0. And then target's going to be 0, 1. There we go. I think the go button's probably fine. Cool. Much less space used. We will... Let's make the map a little bit more condensed for now. Just as a text or test map. Which one's 1? That's 1. We want 3 to be like 10. There we go. And then for space station, let's add a text to it. Which is going to be station name. Station. Which, make this like 20. World space 0, 0, 0. Width 10. What does 10 look like? Is that way too small? Height 5. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Where's the sprite? Oh, that's the sprite. All right, canvas. Screen space camera. No. I can't tell what I'm looking at. Screen space overlay. I'm pretty sure if I want to do it like right above it, I need to do world space. And it should be like 0, 0. Okay, they're way too big. I can't tell if this should be the station. Okay, so I mean, it's slightly working. How do we... I wonder how we like make the text smaller, because the text kind of insane for it. Canvas scalar. Four? 3. Sure. That works. So in each space station, I need to add something to the script for the space stations. I need you to open up. I don't think I have anything done in code yet. All right, when we start, we're gonna set the station. Oh, we need to add a station name here. Come on. Something is lagging. Oh, it's synchronizing project. We need a TMP text. Station name text. When we start, we're gonna be like station name text dot text equals name. And then we just gotta connect it in here. So when you click play, it should just update them all. Yep. Cool. All right, when I click one of these, I want to change this a little bit. So when I click one of these, I'll be able to see the galactic market. But I only want to show like information. So I'm gonna be like target blank and then the prices. So galactic market item. We're gonna make I'm gonna update this. Nope, sorry. I'm gonna update target station information. I might actually delete this and then use this as current and this as target. Because it's gonna change slightly. So target, I'm gonna add we're gonna add market information. And we're gonna add like top 3. Which we only have 3 right now, so market item 1. Let us add name and price to this. We'll make this 20. Okay, that's at the top. Starts at 70, and then this is going to be at the bottom. Height unknown. Just negative 70. Oh, wait. No, not quite. That wasn't right. We want 70 on that. And then this is going to be the entire width. It's going to be on the right side. It's going to be on the left side. We're going to set this one to the right. I'll do 10. Negative 10. Yes, negative 10. And this is going to be 10. All right. Name, price, and then we just need 3 of these. And we don't need to interact with these, so I don't need to do like a script for them. Luckily. So, if I do What? Why did that change anything? Oh. Wait. Nope. Hmm. Why did that change anything? Should be the entire width of this, which should be the entire width of this. So it should be 300. So its width should be 150 or 300. Right? 300? What? Why is this doing it? Maybe I have these incorrect. There we go. Why was that not set like that? What? Pivot should be 0. This should be 5. Is there a margin? Can I add a margin? I'm pretty sure I can't add a margin down here. Cool. And then these are all going to be the same. It's going to be 1, 0. And we're just going to center them. We don't care. Actually, I don't know. I kind of want to line them up. And then I will add a margin. Pretty sure there's a margin somewhere around here. Hmm. I thought there was a margin. Oh, here it is. Right. 5, 10. I was like, I knew there was a margin. 10. There we go. Kind of down there, though. How tall are these? These are going to be 50. Are they actually 50? They're 25. So these are all 25. That means these should be 25 too. And if they're 25... Zero. All right, so that should be the top. So if we go like X5, whoa. Why did that change so much? Okay, that's not changing anything. Zero? No. 0.5, 0. And we make the height of this. This is 150. We make this 80. And this pivot should be 1. I feel like I have this reversed. Where's its pivot? Station name's pivot is up there. It's down there. Yeah, that looks right. Oh, it's probably not updating the height in here. Why are we not updating the height? I don't get it. Okay, we make that 150. So if this is 150, position 0, it's centered. We'll go 10, 25, 30, full 30, 25, and we'll do negative 25. $70, $80. So let's make this 160 and then we'll make this 160 just to give us a little bit more space. And we'll make this 90. There we go. So now we got to get that working. Which shouldn't be too hard. I think we need to add them to this. Like we make public TMP text item 1 name a text item 1 price. And then when we click, we set the target. Target station information. Target station information. Oh, crap, this is the wrong place. We need it in here. And then we go item 1 name dot text equals station dot sellable items 0 dot item name. Next one will be very similar, but price. And then we got to copy this 3 times. Okay. So let's do this. It did not update. What is throwing in air? There's probably a lot of things throwing airs. Um, I mean, these seem all good. Player station. Let's see what's throwing it. Station sellable items. I mean, we just said all those, right? Yeah. Oh, if there's no station. If station is not equal null. Okay. Throwing another error. Oh. Crap. Hmm. We're gonna have to do current station. And then we're gonna create a new one called target station. Copy. Paste. And then we need to go to the interface manager. This is going to be target station. Current station, we don't need any of these prices. We're going to show that here. Which is why it was airing. It was trying to set like the current station stuff to that. Whoops. We're going to update this to target station. And then we got to re-put all the stuff. Cool. And then current station. Revert. There you go. Okay. Now click play. Did it not update? Oh, we don't have anything selected. Ooh, I wonder if we can make this smarter. So if we click one, yeah, it'll update. I'm gonna try to make this slightly smarter, even though I don't need to. We're gonna be like, start. If station name equals none. Public game object market information. We're gonna be like dot set active false, else set active true. And then we're gonna do a void update market display. Give me the first thing. So we'll just call this. And then we'll call this at the end. So at least I should hide it, but this is gonna be like way up here still. Oh, we didn't need to connect it. Whoops. Okay, so it hides it. We want to make the height updated. So it's currently 160. We want to move it down to 70. If it is. If that's. So if it's none, that means we want to go like game object dot transform dot height position. What is this? Transform position. What is height? Scale? No. Set scale dot height. Okay, how do you change UI access game objects height immunity from code? Okay, we have to get the renderer. And then we do render dot bounds that size dot height. UI, PMP UI, how to change game objects height from code. I don't want the preferred height. Is it render dot How do I get to my rect transform? Rect transform? Oh, I can just no. Can I get my rect transform? Form? Transform dot height. Rect dot height equals 70F. Okay, it says I can't edit it. Okay, so it says rect transform dot set size with current anchors. Rect transform dot axis vertical 70. Whoops. See if this works. I haven't done this stuff in code before. Ooh, close. Close, and I don't know what it did. I don't... Okay, that's not working. Why does this say 2? If it's none, set the height to 70. Oh, if it isn't none. If it is none, set it to 70. Okay, and then if we click this, it's still doing 2. Why is it doing 2? Is the wrong name being passed in? Oh, hold on. Are they all named 2? No. For some reason, it's saying that, like, I'm only getting Space Station 2. Space Station 2. What did... I feel like its collider's way too big. What are we looking at? No, its collider should be fine. Hmm. Oh, is it its collider because of the canvas now? Oh. 2, 2. 3, 3. What about 3, 10? Nope, other way. 10. Okay, that's honestly pretty funny. We will override this. All right. Hopefully this will work. There we go. The canvas was over everything. So it's technically like you couldn't click any of the other ones. Let's actually make its area to click like the entire area, just to make it easier. Okay. So now we should be able to like click like there or there. Just anywhere near it. Okay. Cool. So that's updating. So let's have the top right hider show if there is a selected or not. So we want the Galactic market information. Set target. Galactic map. Set target station. Set target station null. If it's the same, don't do anything. If station equals null, we're gonna do the first one. Well, we always do the first one. Target. Oh, we always do the second one too. The only thing we want to do is if it's null, we just want to. Wait, no, not this. Not set target. Set current. If set current is null. Wait, no, current should never be null. Ugh, what am I talking about? What am I talking about? All right. So we have some basics updated. Let's add some variation in the prices. Prices. Variation in prices. So we want to I think I'm gonna make it completely random to begin with. So everything starts off at a default value, and then I think prices every day, quote unquote, will vary 1 to 2. But I'll think we'll kind of like hover around. I want to try to do it so like it varies 1 to 2, but I'll start hovering around. It'll like kind of stay around its base price. So it should like never really go too far away from its accepted base price. So we're gonna add a new scripts interface or folder called services. We're gonna do Galactic price service. Services are basically just static classes. Galactic price service. So this means we can just basically call it whenever without having to make it a reference. So the Galactic price service is going to be like, they're going to be like public. I'm trying to think of, because I want to be able to, I might have to do this later. So public will return a Galactic market item. Get updated market item. We're going to pass in the market, Galactic market item. So I think that should be like the current market item. Public. I'm gonna make this static. All right, so it's gonna take in a galactic market item. It's gonna do some calculations. It's gonna pass it back. So the galactic market item, I actually probably want to add one more. Nope, this is not what I wanted. I want trade item data. This is gonna be public base float base price. All right, so 10, 20. All right, so if we look at our galactic price service, we're gonna make this a trade item data. I'm gonna pass this back. Trade item data. So every quote unquote day, it's gonna update this. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at this. We're gonna be like, all right. So we want to get the difference between current difference equals. It's gonna be the trade item data base price minus price. That's the current difference. And then we are gonna trying to determine how to like weigh this. So I think the difference that it is we're gonna put hmm. Um, we're gonna calculate the change. So the first thing we're gonna do is calculate the change, which will be like we're gonna have the difference 5. So let's just say like base price equals 20. Current price is, let's just say 25. So it's increased by 5 at this specific place a lot. So I want it to be more likely that it'll go down back towards the base than it is to go higher, but it can still go higher. So if I do a set like this, it'll be like 24, 24, 24, 24, 24. So it's likely it'll do that. It could go down 23, 23, 23, and then it could go down to 22. So that is it going down, but so that's what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it could be like it could still go up. So it could be like it could stay the same for a little bit. It's actually very possible that it stays the same. But what if we just do that and then it's like, oh, and then we'll just jump to 26, 26, 27, 27. What would that look like? We're probably going to have to run a couple scenarios to see if this will work. So that means the difference is, this is just equal to difference. This is equal to difference minus 1 equals difference minus 2. Would that work though? If we just have like base, let's just say we have like base price equals 20 and then like price equals 20. So if they're the same, we just want it to be like a perfect pyramid. I don't know what I need like not a math major, so this is all trying to be trippy stuff at this point. I feel like I gotta think about this. Hmm. Okay, what would we do? Should we just create two different things. So like if it's this is like if price is greater than base price, then we just do like, oh yeah, you'll increase. Looks like I'm doing numbers. I'm trying to figure out a calculation that would make sense. If price is base price, so like current value of a object is higher than the galactic value. This is to be galactic average. That'd be a good way to do it. Galactic average. And then that could eventually shift a little bit. So if the galactic average is 20, but the current price is 25, that means it's higher than the galactic average. So the next time we update this price, we want it to kind of go back towards the average, more likely. Doesn't necessarily have to be. So I'll be like, okay, then the price is going to go down -3, 1 chance, -2, 2 chances, -1. Hey, needed to welcome in. How's it going? Welcome to the database. We are doing some strange calculations currently. Try to figure out some weird system for galactic prices for our economy game. So then we wanted to increase. We still wanted to possibly increase. Whoops, I didn't mean to build. But it'll just be less. So it'll be like that, but then it'll start higher. Maybe we'll go 6, and then this will be 5. There we go. So now it's like much more weighted. All right, if we will go like var balance, price balance equals a new list of floats. And then we'll be like, if current diff is greater than 0, that means it's positive. We'll do price balance equals new list. And then we want to be like -3, -3, -2, -2, -2. Was that 4? What did I do? 5? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. All right. Else, if current difference is less than 0, then we'll update the price balance to be the opposite. So it's more likely to increase. And then else, we'll make a new one where it's perfectly balanced. As all things should be. More like a pyramid. It's more likely to stay the same. But nothing crazy. There we go. I'll keep it 5 in the middle. More likely to stay the same. Alright, let's clean this up so it's not as crazy. We don't need a... We don't need to have this, like, formatted like this. Just clean up my code. Okay, this is probably going to suggest a switch statement, which I'm perfectly fine with. All right. So we have our new price balance. What we want to do is we want to get a random number. Var random balance. It's going to be range or random dot range. Is it unity random? Using unity dot random. Isn't unity random? Unity random. Engine. There we go. What are you yelling at me for? Okay, dot random. Use type is unnecessary. It's definitely telling me that it's necessary. Unity engine dot random range. There we go. Thank God. All right, it should be a random float. Returns a random int within inclusive exclusive counts. Okay, so that works. So then our new random is going to be index. Random balance equals that. So we get our float, and then we're going to add this to our price. Trade item data dot price is plus equals random balance. And it's going to return. So this is going to happen every day. So I'm going to be like public static station get updated sellable item prices, or update space station prices. And then we're going to pass in a space station. Space station. And then for each var item in space station dot sellable item, we're just gonna run update trade price item equals var updated items equals, nope, we want a list of that. All right, and then we're just gonna do space station dot that equals updated items, and then we're gonna return space station. Okay, so this needs to be called at the beginning of every day. So after we have moved, so on the Galactic map manager, we do a go, which will set the target, or the current one to the new one, and then we need to update Galactic prices. So I'm just gonna make a public on here, public void update Galactic market, our prices. And we need a list of all of the get var space station equals, what would be get components space station. Space station is a type which is not valid in the given context. Is it not? Type. Do I need like type of? Type of space station? Is that valid? Okay, so for each var space station in there, we're gonna do the Galactic price service dot update station prices is space station. Space station updated space station. We're gonna do space station dot sellable items equals updated dot sellable items. And that should be good, hopefully. So if I just call this, we call this whenever we do a go. I also wanted to call this at the beginning just so we can have initially some updated prices. All right, let's see if this works. Doesn't look like it did what I wanted it to do. If we go, no, it doesn't update anything. Debug.log space stations. I don't need to attach if I do that. Hopefully the console will have something empty. dot count. Length? Okay, then array its length. Zero. Okay, didn't get any of them. That's fantastic. Whoops. Okay. What if we do, oh, maybe not get components, maybe it's find objects by any object by type, and then we have the space station. What? Objects. Find objects of type? Okay, there we go. How does this one work? Sort mode. What is sort mode? Dot. None. I don't care about sorting. Okay, we're just gonna take the chance and hope that it works. Didn't look like it worked. Oh, it did look like it worked. These are all slightly different. So if I buy silver here... Okay, so this galactic market didn't update. Alright, hold on. When does that happen? We probably want to do this before we set the stations, because I think setting the stations will update the prices. All right, so here's what we're looking at. Sorry, I'm trying to pull this out so you guys can see it. All right, so we have gold, which is up here. So if you look at the other places around here, it looks like if we buy gold, fill up our stuff on gold, and then we go like station 3. Ooh, unfortunately, it actually updated since. So let's go try to find another place. Oh, there we go. Crap, we want to buy low, sell high. I did the exact opposite. We're gonna lose money. Yeah, okay. Let me retry. How am I making an economy game and I did that mistake? Oh, where's the game? Window. Where'd the game go? There it is. All right, we want to buy low, sell high. So currently iron is pretty high. Ooh, we want to update this to what we could sell it at. Yeah, I guess we don't really need this. We just need like quantity. Because we could see what we sell it at here. So silver's actually down. Gold's technically down. Let's just buy silver. A bunch of silver. Let's go find... Ooh, silver's up at Station 4. Ooh, silver's really up at Station 4. Oh, we should be able to sell all this and gain a profit. Look at that. There we go. Gold is down here. We're going to fill up on gold. Let's see. Gold's really down in there. Holy shit. Okay. Gold's really up here. So if we sell all these, we should make a fortune. If we go here, buy gold. Go here. Oh, sell gold. All right. There we go. We have a basic fluctuating economy. Completely random. I'm going to make it more purpose-filled in the future. But for now, I'm pretty sure that's good. I'm actually going to hide the prices here. We don't need the prices here. So... Now that I've realized that, I think it's better if we just don't show the prices on the inventory. So if we just go over here, we could be like, price, don't care, get rid of, which means we don't need to pass in the station. Get rid of price. Cool. And then on the actual inventory item, we can delete the price, set this on the right side, -20. Want to anchor at 1, -20. There we go. Yeah, so I think we got a basic fluctuating price. I said I want to make it more purpose-filled eventually. But for now I think that's good. As I said, I was gonna make this stream a little short because I gotta go pack and then go to sleep early today. So I'll probably call it quits here. I appreciate everyone for hanging out. And it wasn't all that eventful because it was a pretty short stream. But if you guys like what you saw, please leave a follow. I would appreciate it. We do game development generally on Mondays. This is kind of just a change of plans from my normal one because I as I said, I was making this short. But check out my socials. I'm always active on Blue Sky. I think we're gonna send you over to Farah because it's her birthday. So let's go wish her a happy birthday. She's awesome. She's a werewolf. Plays a lot of variety of games. I know she plays a lot of Red Dead and Kingdom Hearts. That tends to be what I always see her playing. But she's pretty cool. Go wish her a happy birthday, and I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend.